Oh, they're all good, even the naughty ones. Even the naughty ones. The impatient ones are wonderful because they rush ahead and make mistakes, so we can all see how to fix that mistake. Love that. I love it when students listen, because I pack a lot into each thing that I say. The words are chosen really carefully, so I'm not repeating myself. And often a student will say, I listened really well, because what they usually do in their daily life is that they're the ones speaking. They could be teachers or nurses or whatever. So what they did well is listen, and that's a great compliment.